This week our number is the number 6. Hi. So we're going to start off by, I'm going to show you how to make a 6. So you start at the ceiling and then you go down and you go all the way around and you give a hug. So it's like down, around, give a hug. And that's how you make number 6. It should go in and touch. Okay. And on the number line, this is what 6 looks like on a number line. Start at 0 and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the number 6 right there. On a number bond. Okay, so let's talk about this for a minute. How can we make 6? I'm going to get 6 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I counted them. There's 6 markers here. Okay. Now we can split these markers up in lots of different ways. Like we can do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And when you have 5 and 1 more, that makes 6. You could also do 4 and 2, which also makes 6. You could do 3 and 3, which also makes 6. So there's a lot of different ways to make 6. You could also do all 6 of them in one hand and then 0. There's another way to make 6, okay? So I'm just gonna think of the doubles because a lot of kids remember doubles. So 3 and 3, if you have 3 and 3, that's 6. So you could put 3 plus 3 makes 6. So if you have 3 markers plus 3 more markers, that will be 6. Another way I showed you was, and we're going to talk about this when we get to the 10 frame, is that if you have a row of 5 and 1 more, that makes 6. So you could also put 5 plus 1 equals 6. That's another way to make 6, is 5 and 1 more makes 6. You could also say 6 and 0 more makes 6. And then the one that we don't think of very often is 4 and then 2 more. So 1, 2 more. 4 and then 2 more is 6 also. So I'll put that one down. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Look at how many ways there are to make 6, a lot. Over here, let's make 6 of something. Maybe your favorite shape is a circle. So we could make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to put them in rows of 5 because then they're easy to count. They look like they're in a 10 frame. Tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 crosses, remember? That's 5. And then 6 is just 1 more. So 5 and 1 more, that's 6. On a 10 frame, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more is 6. That's what it looks like on a 10 frame. It looks like a whole row of 5 and then 1 extra down here starting the new row. 5 and 1 more makes 6. Okay. And some of you might already be 6 years old. And some of you on your next birthday are going to turn 6 years old. So it's a special number. And then I'm going to bring this over here to show you another chart that we have in our classroom that has 6. And it's all about the number 6. It says at the top, all about 6. And how many candies are in the candy jar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candies in the candy jar. This is 6 cents because remember this is 5 and 1 more penny is 6. 5 and 1 more is 6. This kind of helps you make a 6 where you go down, around, give a hug. And these are ways to make 6 with the stars. So here is 5 stars. And you can count them if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars plus 1 more star, so 5 and 1 more, is 6 stars altogether. This one is 3 stars and 3 stars. When you put them together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars altogether. This one is 6 and 0, also makes 6. If you're looking at a clock, 6 o'clock looks like this. It's pointing to the 6, and then the red hand, which means minutes, which means o'clock, that says 6 o'clock, so it is 6 o'clock.